How to find shares, notifications, settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find shares, notifications, settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find the three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings. And now just click notifications, and then just go down until you find shares, and here you can turn it off or on just by one click.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.